This is a review of cabin M56 on the Carnival Sensation, and this stateroom will be very similar on any Carnival Fantasy class ship. This is an Oceanview room. It does look like it sleeps about 4 people, in addition to the bed here that does make 2 twin beds, or it's actually 2 twin beds that make a king size bed. There are the bunk beds here on the wall as well. So quite a bit of storage in this room if you are using it for just 2 people. The carpeting in this room has been redone recently. In the past couple years, it does have that newer blue carpet that Carnival is using. Coming standard in all Carnival rooms, you will have beach towels. That famous blue Carnival beach towels. You want to make sure that you keep those in your room and use them when you go to the beach, but make sure that you leave them in your room when you're done, or when you leave the cruise, or they will charge you for them. And I think it's something like $30 or $35, so make sure you keep up with your towel. There is a TV over here in the corner. Not as big as a TV as you'll find on the Conquest and Vista style ships, but it is certainly doable and in a good position there that you'll be able to see it from the bed. As I mentioned, this is an Oceanview room, so you can pull back the curtain here and see that you have a great view of the ocean. This is on deck 5, the main deck, which is just a couple decks up above the water level. So a pretty good view out the window. Pretty excited about that. This room has everything that's standard to a Carnival stateroom. You have the mirror and the desk and the chair underneath. You have the cabinets there that you can pull out. You also have above the bed the little lights that you can turn on and off, which is pretty cool, the little reading lights. I noticed across the room on this side, there's one under the bunk bed too, and I think this is, if you're doing a 2 twin configuration, they'll put one of the beds over here and one will be over here so that you'd have the room in the middle free. So as for storage, you do have 3 closets here, and if we open this one, you have the standard Carnival safe here. It does come equipped with life jackets, so hopefully you won't need those, but they are in the closet. So just the ample closet space, as on most all Carnival ships. There's the ladders for the bunk beds if you are using those. They're in the closet. Whoops. Then there's the door getting into and out of the cabin, and if we go in here, here is the bathroom, which is a pretty standard bathroom. It was pretty neat to see, this being my first Carnival Fantasy class ship, this sort of standalone sink. Not used to seeing that, but pretty standard Carnival bathroom. Your towels, and over here's the shower with the lovely shampoo and body wash, which I'm sure we all love to use when we come on a Carnival cruise. So it's same size as most all Carnival ships, as all the bathrooms I think are about the same size. Now, one thing that I will mention, when I came in, I'm one who runs a little bit warmer, so I was looking for the thermostat, couldn't find it. It's actually up here on the ceiling. So the controls to adjust the air conditioning are actually on the unit itself, so keep that in mind if you, like me, were looking for it frantically and couldn't find it. One more thing to note, there is the breakfast menu here as standard on the wall, and the snoozing cruising sign for sort of do not disturb there near the door. Also, one other thing to mention, the room service menu is the standard Carnival one that they typically have, and that's available in every room. Do note that they have daytime dining now with free options over on this side. There are also some for extra cost options on this side of the menu, and if you're ordering, it looks like after 10 o'clock at night, you are going to have to pay for anything that you order, so keep that in mind. The phone for the room is located here on the wall next to the bottles of water. So that concludes this look at Carnival Sensation room M56. Again, this is probably pretty standard for any Oceanview on any Carnival Fantasy class ship.